So we're diving into the question today. Is Marylebone really as quiet as people say?
That's an interesting one. I mean, it's known for being more residential, right? So naturally, you'd expect it to be a bit quieter than the hustle and bustle of other parts of London.
Yeah, I agree. It's definitely a step away from the tourist-heavy areas. But even then, with all the cafes and shops, can it really be that quiet?
True, it does have a lot going on. But in comparison to, say, Oxford Street, it's a totally different vibe. The streets feel more relaxed, and there's less of that overwhelming energy. It's the perfect balance, I'd say.
I can see that. It's like you get the charm and energy of a city, but without the constant noise. What about the sounds from the parks, like Regent's Park nearby?
Oh, absolutely. Regent's Park brings in a peaceful atmosphere, and that definitely spills over into Marylebone. The natural sounds, like birds chirping or leaves rustling, add a calm layer. It's almost like a hidden escape.
That's a nice way to put it. But with all that peacefulness, how do you think it compares to other quieter areas in London like Hampstead?
Hampstead has a more village feel, I'd say. Marylebone has a bit more of a city flair, but it still manages to keep that tranquility. The balance is what makes it special.
Yeah, I get that. So, in short, you'd say Marylebone is quiet, but not in a boring way?
Exactly. It's quiet in a sophisticated, understated kind of way. Not dead, but definitely calm enough to enjoy some peace away from the busy spots.
Sounds like the perfect spot for a weekend stroll. Maybe grab a coffee and just soak in the surroundings.
100%. If you're after that peaceful city vibe, Marylabone's definitely got it.